Hi, my name's Kenton. This is my wife, Jacy. We just got our L5P Duramax back from WFO Concepts here in Auburn, California. Trevor Huskin's the owner. We had a 6-inch lift coilover conversion done with a solid axle with a 05 and up Ford front end on it. It's got Dynatrac no spin hubs on there. Dual front stabilizers, Fox coilovers. It's got Fox rear shocks on there. This truck used to have a leveling kit with 33s and not a whole lot taller than it was before, but it rides a lot nicer. Everything's a lot solider. Built to go play hard and have a lot of fun with it and not break things.
And we definitely knew that this was the right choice. We've known Trevor for a long time, been buying solid axle parts from him for a long time. These guys are top notch. It's the only place to go. And when that ball joint failed on that IFS, this was it.